Ever felt that nagging frustration, that tiny, yet persistent, ugh, I forgot my wallet moment, right when you're about to pay for that post-workout smoothie or that spontaneous coffee run? You know, the one where you're standing there, hands full, and your phone battery is suspiciously low? Or maybe you're out for a run, completely hands-free, and you realize you need to grab something from the store. That's where the magic of smartwatch payments comes in. It's that seamless, futuristic feeling of tapping your wrist and being done. But, let's be real, navigating the world of digital wallets and card integrations can feel like deciphering an ancient scroll sometimes. Especially when you're trying to add a specific card, like your SoFi debit card, to your smartwatch. So, you've got this sleek, powerful smartwatch, ready to simplify your life. You've got your SoFi debit card, a reliable tool for your everyday spending. And you're thinking, how do I merge these two powerhouses? You're not alone. This question pops up in forums, social media, and even casual conversations. Everyone wants that effortless, tap-and-go convenience. But the process can seem a bit opaque. We're going to demystify it today. We're going to break down the steps, clarify the nuances, and get your SoFi debit card happily residing on your wrist. No more fumbling, no more wallet worries, just pure, unadulterated convenience. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address the why behind this. Why go through the effort of adding your card to your smartwatch? Beyond the sheer coolness factor, it's about efficiency. It's about streamlining your daily transactions. Imagine leaving your phone at home for a quick jog and still being able to grab a bottle of water or a snack. It's about peace of mind, knowing you have a backup payment method readily available. It's about embracing the future of contactless payments. Now, let's get into the how. The process, while straightforward, can vary slightly depending on the smartwatch you own. Are you rocking an Apple Watch? Or are you part of the Google Wear OS ecosystem? Or perhaps you're using a Samsung Galaxy Watch. Each platform has its own unique way of handling card integrations. Let's start with Apple Watch. If you're an Apple Watch user, you'll be using Apple Pay, which is deeply integrated into the watch's operating system. First, ensure your iPhone, paired with your Apple Watch, has the latest iOS and watchOS updates. This is crucial for compatibility and security. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay. If you haven't added any cards yet, you'll see an Add Card option. Select it. You'll be prompted to choose between a debit or credit card. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can either manually enter your SoFi debit card details or use the camera to scan the card, which is often faster and more accurate. Once you've entered the card details, your bank, in this case, SoFi, will need to verify your card. This verification process can vary. It might involve a text message with a verification code, a phone call, or even a prompt within the SoFi app itself. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After successful verification, your SoFi debit card will be added to your Apple Watch's wallet. You can then set it as your default card if you wish. To use it for payments, simply double-press the side button on your Apple Watch and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. You'll feel a gentle tap on your wrist, indicating a successful transaction. Now, let's move on to Google Wear OS. The process is similar, but there are some key differences. Wear OS uses Google Pay. Ensure your smartwatch and phone have the latest software updates. Open the Google Pay app on your smartwatch, or if you don't have it, download it from the Google Play Store on your watch. You'll be prompted to add a card. You can either add a card from your phone or add a new card directly on your watch. Adding it from your phone is generally easier. If you choose this option, open the Google Pay app on your phone. Select Add a Card and follow the prompts. You'll have the option to scan or manually enter your SoFi debit card details. Again, SoFi will need to verify your card. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once verified, your SoFi debit card will be added to your Google Pay wallet on your smartwatch. To pay, simply open the Google Pay app on your watch and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. Some Wear OS watches allow you to set a shortcut to quickly access Google Pay by pressing a specific button. Finally, let's talk about Samsung Galaxy watches. Samsung uses Samsung Pay, which has its own unique setup. Ensure your Galaxy Watch and phone have the latest software updates. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Navigate to Wallet or Samsung Pay. Select Add Card. You can either add a card from your phone or add a new card directly on your watch. Adding it from your phone is usually the easiest option. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan or manually enter your SoFi debit card details. Samsung Pay also requires card verification. Follow the prompts provided by SoFi. Once verified, your SoFi debit card will be added to your Samsung Pay wallet on your smartwatch. To pay, simply press and hold the back button on your Galaxy Watch to activate Samsung Pay. Hold your watch near the contactless payment terminal. A few extra tips to ensure a smooth experience. Security is paramount. Always keep your smartwatch and phone software updated. Use strong passcodes or biometric authentication on your devices. This protects your financial information. Check for compatibility. While SoFi debit cards are generally compatible with most major smartwatch payment platforms, it's always a good idea to double-check with SoFi or your smartwatch manufacturer for any specific compatibility issues. Stay connected. For the initial setup and verification, ensure your smartwatch and phone have a stable internet connection. Manage your cards. You can manage your cards, including setting a default card, through the respective wallet app on your phone or smartwatch. Transaction limits. Be aware of any transaction limits imposed by your bank or the payment platform. Adding your SoFi debit card to your smartwatch is a fantastic way to embrace the convenience of contactless payments. It simplifies your daily transactions and provides a secure, reliable payment method right on your wrist. By following these steps and keeping security in mind, you can enjoy the seamless experience of smartwatch payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.